Hello. Today I'd like to show you an example of a typical ventilation system in a multifamily building. In a multifamily building, fresh air is provided into the common hallway to creating a positive pressure, and that positive pressure travels under the doors through to the apartments, which are at a slightly negative pressure due to the kitchen and bathroom exhaust. Let's take a look at the first component in this ventilation system, the hallway ventilator. The hallway ventilator is a completely self-contained machine. Its design is to bring in outside air year-round, 24/7, to provide fresh air for ventilation into the common hallways. In the wintertime, that air will be cold, so the hallway ventilator heats that air with a gas-fired heating chamber. And in the summertime, this hallway ventilator will pre-cool the air with an air conditioning system. Remember, the job of the hallway ventilator, or its controls, are designed to control a constant discharge air temperature leaving the machine, sending in a constant 67 to 68 degrees all year round in order to provide air for ventilation. This is why you should never find a typical thermostat in one of your common corridors controlling your hallway ventilator. It's being controlled by the equipment inside this machine. Let's take a look at how the air passes through our hallway ventilator. The fan on the hallway ventilator drags in fresh air through the fresh air hood. That air enters and immediately passes through a 4-inch pleated filter to take out the particulates, and this particular machine has an energy recovery wheel, and this filter is to keep that wheel clean. We'll get back to this in a moment. The fresh air continues being dragged by the fan, where it mixes with some return air from the hallway and passes through the main filter bank. That air is then either pre-cooled by our air conditioning coil and our compressor, or if the air is too cold, it can be preheated through the gas-fired heating furnace. Let's take a closer look at that enthalpy wheel. This hallway ventilator comes with a very special feature. This has an energy recovery wheel, or an enthalpy wheel. This wheel allows for the transfer of heat and moisture that would normally be exhausted from the space to be transferred into the incoming air. In the wintertime, cool, dry air get drawn in and pass through the enthalpy wheel. Warm, moist air is being exhausted and also passing through the enthalpy wheel. As it spins, that heat and moisture gets transferred to the incoming outside air. This helps to preheat that air, which reduces our energy costs on our gas furnace. In the summertime, the enthalpy wheel will pre-cool the air, giving us savings on our air conditioning system. Although the hallway ventilator should be looked at by a qualified technician at least once a season, there are many things that the operator should be maintaining. First and foremost, ensuring that filters are clean. Dirty filters reduce heat transfer, increasing energy costs on the air conditioning system. Ensuring that the condensate pan and condensate line are clear to prevent water leaks and backups into the hallway ventilator. Next, ensuring any belts inside your machine are properly tensioned and aligned and are in good shape. This is going to provide proper airflow to your common hallways. Ensuring that all coils are clean to increase heat transfer and reduce energy costs. And also, every 6 months, a good tightening of all line electrical connections inside the machine can significantly reduce motor failure. To sum up, I hope our presentation has shown you that the hallway ventilator is not your typical air conditioning and heating system, but is designed to strictly provide fresh air for ventilation into the multifamily building.